Hi, morning guys. This is Aki. I got a few requests to do a video regarding MT4. So I'm just going to quickly run through a few of the features that, basic features that you can use to analyze your chart. So I'm just going to go through all these features so that you know how to use them. I advise you guys start analyzing on MT4. You will see the difference. Because you need to understand, when you're trading, you do not trade from your mobile phone. That's the minimum requirement for trading. You trade from your mobile phone, you're asking for disaster. You will never, ever, ever make money. This is something I'm guaranteeing you now. If you are using your mobile phone to trade to make money, unfortunately, I can guarantee you now, you will never, ever, ever make money. And write this down. If you ever do make money, come and get in touch with me, because I like to learn from mobile phone as well. That would save me so much time. That would make my life so much easier. I could drive, I could trade, I could go on walking around the street, I could trade. You know, that if that was the case, everyone would have made money on the move. Yes, on the move we can make money because we got our laptop. Minimum requirement to trade is laptop. If you got PC, fantastic. But mobile phone, guys, just get rid of mobile phone if you're going to trade. Even it's okay to have a look at it sometime, but you should not even looking at your mobile phone when you're even on the trade. You should always go back on your chart to make any decision that you need to make. Never ever make decision even looking at the mobile phone. How's my trade going? Anyways, I'm not going into much details about this because I've done so many videos about mobile phone. I'll make another video. But if you like, if there's any different type of videos that you want me to create, I'll do my best to come up with something. And guys, let's share the channel and let's grow the channel and let's see how far we can take trading. I am sharing everything that I am doing. My signal, my Telegram channel. Guys, I don't think there is any other channel that providing what I'm providing on my with my signals. I really don't think so. If you do, get in touch with me as well. Drop some information, because you know what? It's not all about just my channels and my this. If there's someone doing better, I like to know how they're doing it. It's all ways of improving myself, improving for other guys in my channel as well. If I can improve things that I'm doing, this is what I want to know, because I am not after anybody's money here. I am not asking for someone to give me money so I can trade for them. I can do this. I am teaching guys to trade. Guys that learning from me, they are million times better than the guys advertising their account managers. So why do you need to go and give your money to somebody else when what I'm teaching you is more than enough for you to make an income? So anyways, you guys, if you really want to learn from me, I need to see some input from you guys. At least show some support in terms of get the channel out, let the people know, let all those guys know what is actually happening with Love Forex. Because Love Forex, I am being quiet. I'm just working with a small group of people. But you know what? This is a time for you guys. If you really want to see, I've done it for 2 years now. It's time for you guys to show me some support. What I've done for you. If you don't do that, if you don't show your support, what is the point for me to keep doing this same thing? I need more new guys that I can help and benefit. The only way I'm going to get there is from the guys I already helped. You other guys need to come out and show what I've done. That's the only way. The new guy is going to come in. They're going to start learning, and they're going to do the same thing as you guys are doing. And that is a success for me. As long as I can help somebody, and and this is what I expect as well. If I'm helping someone, and that someone I expect to go on to help someone else. And if I don't get this, to be honest, right, my time is getting wasted, and there's no point for me to do even these kind of videos as well. It's just pointless. I'd rather go and trade myself. That's the best way. Right, thanks a lot, guys. Anyways, and like, share, and get the channels up, guys. If you really want me to spend time on the channel, on the on YouTube, to make some videos that will help you with your trading, if you really want, and if you do care about other guys as well, maybe family, friends who's actually losing money and they're spending tons of money. I searched YouTube videos channels. How much are they charging just for dummies? That's textbook traders charging $300 just to subscribe to them per month. You're having a laugh. Guys that are charging, what is it? Minimum cheapest one I found online, on YouTube online, $100 a month for what? Teaching you what? Read book. You know what, guys? Just get out there, introduce my channels. You will see what you get from my channel. And I am not after anybody's money. I never ever did, and I will never do. I just need some input, and you will see how far. So this is MT4. This is what I use. MT4, and these are the, if you can see on the left hand side here, these are the buttons that it's more of navigations, like this one here. That one would open up the all these options you have, where you can add, take indicators off, templates. You can add templates to it. So it's all everything is on this button here. And also for the currency price, for currency that you want to trade, watch list is here. You just click on this, and if you double click, you click again, that will go away, so that you get clear chart. Because you don't want, when you're trading, you don't want everything on the left hand side blocking your chart, covering your chart up. So this one for all these price currency pairs, watch list. You can also there's an add plus button here where all these currency pairs are. You can drag it onto your chart. So for example, I got Euro USD now. All I need to do is click on this, and that will open up Euro GBP. So that's one of them here. You can just drag onto the chart anything that you want. That's just my indicators. Okay, and the another one is, and also as you can see there, these are the time frame. You just click on it. You can change your time and whatever you want, whatever the time frame you want to trade. So it changes the hourly, hourly, daily, monthly, whatever it is. So this is all this here. And also, if you can see it there, there is to draw support resistance. There's a horizontal line you can draw there. You can click on it, double click, you would delete it. Double click and right hand, yeah, double click, and if you just click on your right hand, that would delete it. If you click again, it would put it back on again. So that is a common, that is the one that I use quite regularly there for support resistance. So I could draw a support resistance. That could be a support. Yeah, you can just keep drawing like this. So that is one of them that you should be using if you're going to analyze this chart. Let me get rid of this. All right, what other one? Yeah, to draw a trend line. This is the ideal one to draw a trend line. Actually, it says as well is to draw a trend line. So as you can see there, click, and then you can just draw it wherever you want. You put it, you drag your mouse, and one click there. If you double click it, you get these 3 dots where you can adjust those places where you want to put it. You can just move around wherever you want to place it. But if you click the middle one, that will move the whole thing. It would move up and down. If you click on this one, it moves from up and down. It would move the whole trend line. So it's best if you're going to adjust it, click on the end one, and then this was the end. This one here. So there's 3 dots. So you have to make sure that it depends what you want to do. You use them to adjust areas. So there. So hopefully that is clear enough for you to draw a trend line. So that could be, yeah, that could be a trend line here. Well, I'll add something to it because I already done a video about trend line and stuff. Trend line, what I look for is 2 touch, minimum 2 touch, 3 touch is good. So those are the things that I look for. So if I look for to draw a trend line, so I got 1 touch here, 2 touch there, 3 touch. So that is my valid, I could say that is a valid trend line. Long as minimum at least got to be 2 minimum, otherwise it's not valid whatsoever. 3 is good. So those are the things that I look for. So that's trend line. That's how you draw trend line. Also you can draw channels as well. This one there, it's got Eon. That is to draw channels. That's a lot of guys do channel trading. So that is the one that you can place it. For example, this could be the channel. let your click and let it go, and then you can adjust by double clicking, and then you can adjust wherever you want to place it. You can move, you can take it either way, and also you can adjust how you want it. So that's for, you can just add them on, and if you double click again, that would just spread it out, balance things off. You can just take it out, you can take one off, and then click again, that would just make it bigger. So it just adjusts itself by clicking on this again. So you can have 4, 5, 6, whatever how many chart you want to place at once. You can do that. If you do it again, say for example, I want this one as well, I can just click on this and it just balance it out. So all of them looks equal. So that's that, because those are the common features that you'll be using if you're going to trade on MT4. So that's that. And also what you can do is you can change the color of candles. Change the color of the background as well. If you just right click on it, keep the mouse on the chart, and then right click on it. The grid lines, you can go into grid lines and can just change the whatever the background color you want. You can just play around here. You can go into properties, and all these candles, you can change the color of the candles to whatever color you prefer. The colors I've got on those are the settings that for my candles. So you can set up whatever color you prefer. So that's one thing that you can do as well. Pretty much, guys, there's hundreds of things to do. You can do. If I go on to do everything, I'll probably be spending about 2-3 hours trying to show them. So if there's something that you want, if there's something that's not covered here, just drop out a message. Then when I get the chance, I'll do a video to show you. Right. Thanks. So that's about it.